Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. So today we made $4. Yes sir, $4. And I'll show you guys what I took. Well, firstly, coming into the day, we're inside this big ass 1 hour range. I was expecting this 4 hour BISI to get tapped into, but I wanted to see more from order flow first because we could be bullish and could be bearish at the same time. We have reason for both sides. So what I mean by that is 4 hour we are having bullish order flow. That's okay. My draw is Asia low only. Hourly, we have this hourly change. We could respect that and then come higher like we did here, or we could just disrespect that, come into the 4 hour BISI and then come higher. So my lowest hanging fruit here was this Asia low or this buy side liquidity up here. Now on the 15 minute, or rather on the 5 minute, I wanted to see some sort of order flow shift, and we did get that. So we had this change in the state right here, and yeah, we had this order flow shift, and then zooming in, so NQ pumps higher, but ES, however, presents a model on the 2 minute. It does look pretty ugly though. We have this 2 minute change, which I took on paper because I wasn't really confident on it. Execution. Yeah, so this ended up being break even. But I think I would have probably been stopped out here. Let's see. Yeah, this would have been a stop out. I don't think I would have gotten more from here, honestly. Yeah, this would have been a stop out. Honestly, overall today was a pretty low probability day because we were range bound in this 1 hour range, and we are also in No News Monday in CPI week. So overall, I think today, lower time frame wise was alright, but higher time frame wise on the 1 hour ranges, we are just chilling inside of here. So lower probability in that sense. And then on the 15 minute, since we create this 15 minute change on NQ and we respect that 15 minute change, we reject off of that 15 minute change. I see this 15 minute BISI. So I'm no longer interested in shorts here. After we had done this, so like it's around the same time here, right? I saw that 15 minute is yeah, I saw that 15 minute is bullish on NQ, and we are beginning to have bullish order flow on ES. So this 15 minute change right here. Oh, boom, boom, boom. So we got this 15 minute change here on ES. Also, zooming in, going into that 15 minute BISI. So I think this is it. We have this 15 minute BISI here, SMT at the lows, and then we get a 3 minute model here. So I take the long from here. It wasn't that great, honestly, now I'm thinking about it, but yeah, the model itself wasn't that great. It might have been a stretch to go for this model or this setup. So we had this sell side here. I feel like in my head I kind of knew it was lower probability, but I still took it anyway. Maybe FOMO, but it was the model, so technically I wasn't breaking any rules, but I think I probably should have just stepped away from the chart here, simply because, well, RR wise isn't great, and we're kind of discorrelating on the day. Like ES is just doing this. So actually, yeah, ES isn't really correlating at all at this point in time. We have this 15 minute, I guess, kind of consolidating on ES. yeah, consolidating on ES, but at the same time on NQ with trending higher, so lower probability in that sense. I could have avoided this trade like completely if I had just probably just stepped away. Honestly, there's nothing else to say, honestly. So yeah, break even. I went VE early, and why was that? Because it's a lower probability day, it's a no news Monday in CPI week, so I'm not really expecting that much of a push higher, but at the same time the possibility is still there, so I took it anyway, right? Now in hindsight, thinking back to it, probably wasn't a great trade to take. Why? Because again, yeah, just this week I shouldn't really expect that much from today. And technical wise, again, we're inside that hourly range. Anything else that I need to talk about? I don't think so. There was a possible short. Yeah, I already covered that on ES. Yeah, I really want to see Asia, honestly. Unfortunately, we didn't get it though. Yeah, it kind of sucks, but it's alright. Coming to tomorrow, probably still want to see this buy side liquidity up here. Could I expect it to be a ranging day again? Yeah, if we get this hourly change down here. We've already got on ES, so just want to see if it forms on NQ again. It probably may well be a ranging day tomorrow as well, since this, again, it's no news. Wednesday won't be trading because it's the day before CPI. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that trade recap. Yeah, not really much to talk about today, honestly. I feel like this is just a really poorer quality setup than the ones that I've taken before. I'm glad I didn't lose any money from this, but at the same time, also, I kind of think that it was a valid trade to take, but I don't know. I think next time I'll just stick to A++ setups on no news Mondays. Or at least that's what TradePath is telling me. So go and break even here. TradePath, I kind of also think that, to be fair, that it's more of a psychological problem instead of a technical problem. But I feel like that psychological problem arises from the technical problem, because I don't really know whether or what we're trying to do, right? Because it's just so discorrelative. So maybe if I see that next time on the higher time frames, I just step away and just forward test. I'm not sure, but yeah, love and appreciate you guys watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.